smartphones these days are either too big, too flashy or too expensive? Well, the OnePlus 13S isn't trying to win a popularity contest there. It's here to prove that elegance lies in restraint. And honestly, it's the kind of phone that doesn't need to scream to be noticed. But does that calm confidence translate to great user experience? Let's dive into our full review of the OnePlus 13S. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and help us get to 10K subscribers. Now let's start with what hits you first, the design. The OnePlus 13S weighs just 185 grams and is only 8.2 mm thick, which means it's compact enough for one-handed use and light enough to slip into your pocket without bulging out. It comes in 3 finishes: black velvet, pink satin, and our favorite, the green silk. That matte shimmer on the green one is absolutely gorgeous. It's subtle, classy, and thankfully it's not a fingerprint magnet. The layout is minimal, the curves are soft, and the whole thing just looks polished. I'll say it, the 13S is actually better looking than the flagship OnePlus 13. You also get OnePlus's new Plus key, kinda like Apple's action button. You can set it to open the camera, trigger DND, or launch AI features. We do miss the iconic alert slider though, and one gripe that I do have with this phone's build is that the under-display fingerprint scanner is too close to the bottom. You'll definitely feel it. And lastly, what's in the box, you ask? A color-matched case, 80-watt charger, cable, and a screen protector that's already applied. I love the attention to detail. Moving on to the display, honestly, OnePlus proves that smaller doesn't mean lesser. The 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED panel hits the sweet spot for compact phones. With a sharp 1.5K resolution and 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, this screen feels smooth, sharp, and very easy on the eyes. Peak brightness is about 1600 nits, which is not the brightest out there but good enough for Indian summers. Colors are natural and the Pro XDR mode makes photos look more contrasty, though we'd recommend switching it off for pro editing. Look, the display is not trying to be the biggest, obviously. It's trying to be the right size, and it nails that. Don't let this cute little phone's minimalist looks fool you. This phone is fast. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite paired with 12GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the 13S handles everything from social media to gaming with ease. Even Genshin Impact runs smoothly on high settings, and thermals are decent enough thanks to a large vapor chamber. OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15 feels clean, bloatware-free, and responsive. 4 years of Android updates and 6 years of security updates is a big win as well. And AI isn't just slapped on here. I think it's integrated quite thoughtfully. Mindspace lets you capture notes, confirmations, or lists with just a button press or swipe, all stored neatly in one place. Voice scribe transcribes and summarizes calls in real time. Very handy for meetings and interviews. Built-in writing tools work across the phone, and photo editing gets AI love too, with object removal, image sharpening, and background expansion. And yes, Google's Gemini AI and Circle to Search are supported too. For optics, OnePlus keeps it simple with a dual camera setup. You get a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-700 main sensor with OIS and a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens. That's it, no ultrawide, which is a bit of a bummer. The main camera shoots crisp, vibrant photos. You also get fast autofocus, great low-light results with night mode, and solid portraits with the telephoto. The telephoto does lack OIS though, which can hurt in dim lights or handheld videos. Selfies from the 32-megapixel front camera look natural and not overly processed. And yes, it supports 4K 30fps video while the rear has 4K 60fps. Overall, the 13S's cameras don't blow us away, but they are capable enough to handle most kind of scenarios, just not the very tricky ones. Now here's where the 13S goes beast mode. Despite its compact build, the 13S packs a 5850 mAh battery, bigger than what you get on the Galaxy S25 Ultra or the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And in real-world use, you get a whopping 10 to 12 hours of screen on time. That's up to 2 days on a single charge. And yes, we tested that. And included inside the box is an 80-watt charger which tops up the phone to full in about 75 minutes. You've got no wireless charging, but you do get reverse wired charging for your accessories like TWS or anything else. Honestly, the battery on this tiny phone is just incredible. It is built to last. The OnePlus 13s isn't trying to do everything. It's just trying to do whatever it does right. It nails the fundamentals. You get a clean design, smooth display, blazing fast performance, useful AI, decent cameras, and marathon battery life. Yes, now of course there are compromises like no ultrawide shooter, no wireless charging, and a slightly awkward fingerprint sensor placement that could irk some at this price. But honestly, if you're looking for a sleek flagship under Rs 60,000 that feels thoughtful, powerful, and refreshingly uncomplicated, the OnePlus 13s might just be the best option for you. We rated a strong 4 out of 5. What would you rate it? Drop a comment to let us know, and we'll see you in the next one.